Hey guys, in today's video, I'm gonna tell you how I do my makeup for post marriage lunches and dinners in summers. So let's begin. First step is skincare always, and I'm wearing lenses because I cannot see without them anything. I'm gonna start with a primer to create a barrier between skin and makeup so that it doesn't harm my skin. Now the next step is to mix my blush with a strobe cream to get a nice dewy glowy finish. And to set my face, I'm gonna use any compact powder that I have. This is my go-to highlighting and contouring palette for summers and even for winters. You guys have seen me using it so many times in my videos. So I'm gonna contour and highlight my face with it. And for my eyes, I'm gonna use the blush from this palette as I don't want to go overboard with my eyes. And if there is any more requirement of blush, so I'm gonna use K Beauty. And wow, to set everything in place, I'm gonna use a makeup fixer, and for my eyes I'm not doing any wing liner today, so I'm keeping it cool, nice and neat. And of course mascara is must, to give that oomph to your makeup look. And since I'm wearing pink, so I'm using a bright pink lipstick for my look, and voila.